Dear student, today we will talk about Schrodinger equations. So, what is the Schrodinger equations? The Schrodinger equations came into knowledge in 1926 when Erwin Schrodinger gave a new idea to develop quantum mechanics in form of a wave equations. Here we can see that a psi is a wave function which show and all the data of a particle which is moving. We can say that its positions, its momentum, its energy, and the time, all of data are included in psi. This is the state function or wave function of a particles. Schrodinger equations is shows whole setup like old classical mechanics, Lagrangian equations, or Hamiltonian equations. It believes that it's give all experimental data and information of system. Here we see on the left hand side we have minus h cross square upon 2m del square upon del x square plus vx is, here we can say that this is a operator and operated on psi xt. What is the psi xt? Psi xt is state function or wave function of system when a operator, or we can say that a psi function is operated on operator, then their value comes out and this value equal to iota h cross del psi upon del t. Then what is this? It gives the results. Then here this is a Hamiltonian minus h square upon 2m del 2 psi square upon del s square plus vx. This is a Hamiltonian operated by a Schrodinger wave equations and it's give energy. This is called energy. This is Schrodinger equations. We give that give the result of systems such like that energy, momentum of a system, and most important thing this is that this is time dependent Schrodinger equations, because we can see that here on the right hand side here a term is include iota h cross del psi upon del t. This parameter includes the time coefficient, so this is the called time dependent Schrodinger equations. On the other hand, there is a one also type of Schrodinger equations which never talk about the time coefficient, so that was called time independent Schrodinger equations. So here a operator is defined in term of psi. Yeah, we can say energy operator. On the classical mechanics, we knows only a wave function or equations which gives the energy. On the quantum mechanics, it gives energy by a operator, and that is energy operator. Here we can say that E is given as a cap. The mean of that it is a operator, or when it is operated on any function psi, then it will give energy of a system, and this is called Schrodinger time dependent wave function. Thanks.